Hammerhead sharks. Hammerhead sharks are known for their distinct hammer-shaped head, which is a modified skull that evolved over millions of years. This unique feature gives them several advantages when it comes to hunting prey, detecting electrical signals, and sensing their environment. But that's not all there is to know about these fascinating creatures. In this video, we will be looking at 15 facts about hammerhead sharks that will blow your mind. Number 15. Different species. There are 9 different species of hammerhead shark. These species vary in size, color, and habitat, but they all share the same distinctive head shape. The largest species is the great hammerhead, which can grow up to 6 meters long and weigh over 1,000 kilograms. The smallest species is the scalloped hammerhead, which typically grows to around 1 meter long and weighs less than 20 kilograms. Number 14. Distribution. Hammerhead sharks are found in tropical and subtropical waters around the world. They prefer shallow coastal waters, such as coral reefs and estuaries, but some species can also be found in deeper waters. Number 13. Diet. Hammerhead sharks are carnivorous and opportunistic feeders, meaning they will eat just about anything that fits in their mouths. Their diet consists of fish, squid, crustaceans, and other marine animals. Some species also feed on eggs and small sharks. The great hammerhead is known to have a diverse diet and has been observed feeding on stingrays in some instances. Number 12. Exceptional smell. Hammerhead sharks have an exceptional sense of smell, which helps them to locate prey from far away. They can detect blood in the water from miles away and use this sense to track down injured or sick animals. In one study, scientists found that scalloped hammerhead sharks could detect odors at concentrations as low as 2 parts per trillion. Number 11. Electrical signals. Hammerhead sharks are able to detect weak electrical signals in the water, which helps them to find prey that is buried in the sand or hidden among rocks. This ability is due to specialized cells called electroreceptors, which are located in the pores of their head. These receptors allow the sharks to sense the weak electrical fields produced by the muscle activity of other animals. Number 10. Spiracles. In addition to their gills, hammerhead sharks have 5 pairs of spiracles on each side of their head. These openings allow them to take in water and oxygen even when their mouths are fully shut. This is important for regulating their buoyancy and allows them to conserve energy while swimming. 9. Swim bladder. Unlike most fish, hammerhead sharks do not have a swim bladder. This is a gas-filled sac that helps fish to control their buoyancy. Instead, hammerhead sharks rely on their large, oily livers to keep them afloat. Number 8. Coloration. The coloration of hammerhead sharks varies depending on the species and can range from gray to blue to brown. The underside of their bodies is usually lighter colored, which helps to camouflage them from predators when viewed from above. Some species, such as the scalloped hammerhead, have distinctive white markings on their heads. Number 7. Lifespan. The lifespan of hammerhead sharks is not well understood, but it is estimated that they can live for up to 20 years. Some species may live longer, but more research is needed to confirm this. Number 6. Reproduction. Hammerhead sharks are ovoviviparous, which means that they give birth to live young after eggs hatch inside their bodies. This is different from most sharks, which are either oviparous, meaning they lay eggs, or viviparous, meaning they give birth to live young that develop from internal fertilization. The gestation period for hammerhead sharks can vary depending on the species, but it is typically around 18 months. Number 5. Pups. When hammerhead pups are born, they are around 50 centimeters long and are able to swim and hunt independently. They typically stay in shallow coastal waters for the first few years of their lives and are known to form large nurseries where they can safely grow and develop. Number 4. Behavior. Hammerhead sharks are generally calm and docile creatures, but they can become aggressive if provoked. They are known to be curious and will investigate objects that enter their territory. However, they are not typically a threat to humans unless they are cornered or harassed. No. 3. Hammerhead crunching. One unusual behavior exhibited by hammerhead sharks is the tendency of some species to crunch and gnash their teeth. This behavior has been observed in several species of hammerhead shark and is thought to have a variety of purposes, such as cleaning their teeth or making noise to communicate with each other. It is also possible that this behavior is used to stun prey before consuming it. No. 2. Hammerhead stacking. Another intriguing behavior exhibited by hammerhead sharks is the tendency of males to stack on top of each other during mating. This behavior has been observed in several species of hammerhead shark and is thought to increase the male's chances of fertilizing the female SX. The male sharks form a pyramid-like structure on top of the female, with the largest male at the top and the smallest males at the bottom. Number 1. Threats. Hammerhead sharks are threatened by a variety of factors, including overfishing, habitat destruction, and climate change. Overfishing occurs when sharks are caught by humans for their meat, skin, or fins. Habitat destruction occurs when coastal ecosystems, such as coral reefs, are damaged, which can make it difficult for sharks to find food and shelter. Climate change is also a threat to hammerhead sharks because it can cause changes in ocean temperature and sea levels, which can impact their distribution and abundance. There are many different species of hammerhead sharks, each with their own unique characteristics and behaviors. The great hammerhead shark is the largest species and can grow up to 6 meters in length. These sharks typically have a dark gray or bluish back and a lighter gray or white belly. The head of this shark is very wide and flat, giving it a distinct hammer-like appearance. The great hammerhead shark is found in tropical and subtropical waters around the world and is known to inhabit both coastal and deep offshore waters. Another interesting species of hammerhead shark is the scalloped hammerhead shark. This shark is much smaller than the great hammerhead shark and typically grows to around 1 meter in length. Scalloped hammerhead sharks have a distinctive white or gray coloration with a scalloped edge on their head. This shark is found in the coastal waters of the Pacific and Indian Oceans and is known to frequent coral reefs and seagrass meadows. In addition to their distinctive head shape, hammerhead sharks have several other unique physical features. They have a flattened, disc-like body that is highly flexible, allowing them to maneuver easily in the water. Their eyes are located on the upper part of their head, which allows them to see both above and below the surface of the water. Hammerhead sharks also have a nictitating membrane, which is a transparent eyelid that protects their eyes while they are hunting for prey. Despite their large size and powerful jaws, hammerhead sharks are generally not considered to be dangerous to humans. However, they are capable of inflicting serious injuries if they feel threatened or cornered. In rare cases, hammerhead sharks have been known to attack humans, but these attacks are very uncommon. Thank you for watching. We really appreciate it. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel.